Hi, welcome to Cute Things by Rebecca. I am Rebecca, and today we're going to make this cute little card holder inspired by my friend Lynne. Um, it's just a basic card holder, and there's a pocket on the front, and in the back there's another pocket towards the top. So you can put your cards up top or in the front. Anyways, we're going to make this. So it's a very basic card holder and a basic size. So go get your scrap bucket and pick out some scrap vinyls. And that's exactly what I did here. They're just scraps. But the actual design is a little more than 3.5 by 2.5 ish. So the first step on the machine is a placement step, so you can go buy the placements too. But I have these cut at what, 3 by 4, 3.5 by 4. Like I said, these are just scraps. So that's what you need. 3 pieces of vinyl, a tab if you want it, and let's get started. Okay, so here is the placement step. Now what you'd like to do next is take your scrap fabric, and it's just gonna, you want to line it up covering this section here like so. The next step on the machine is going to make the little curve and tack this down. So I will come back and show you what that looks like in just a second. Okay, so that's tacked down. Now you want to take your scissors and just cut along the top edge of that top line. So, of course I used matching thread, so it's hard to see, but you just want to trim along that line. All the way across. Like so. So the next step on the machine is going to go all the way around, but now we want to work on the back side of our hoop. So you want to take your, what we're doing now is this section here. So on the back side of your hoop, you want to place your accent fabric face down. So I have that. I'm going to secure it with tape and run that step. And I'll show you what that looks like in just a second. Okay, so now that's tacked down. I should have sandwiched my tab in there at that time, but I think I can do it here. So it's gonna be an opening here, so I'm gonna put my tab on this end. I'm just gonna stick it right there for now. See how that works. Okay, so we're still on the back side of the hoop. So you want to just take your main back fabric and cover up the lines. Now you can for the back, see this one is just flush, so you can reach in and grab your card, but I made another one and I put a little tab. I mean, that's up to you on how you want to do that. Or you can bring it down a little bit so your cards stick out a little bit here and you can just grab them. I think that's what I'll do on this one. Oh, but it's going to be up here. See, I'm all turned around. So let's move this down a little bit. See if that works. I'm going to tape it and I'll run that last step and we'll be done. This literally takes just a couple of minutes to make. I made a bunch of them last night while I was testing the design. Quick, easy, cute little gift for gift cards. Anyways, inspired by Lynne. Okay, so we're all finished. So now you just want to remove your stabilizer. The best you can, and when you pull on this, it'll open right up. You'll have some strings to cut because it was sewn on stabilizer. So that's what that stitches are coming off. Okay, and I'm going to use my cutter here. Okay, and I'm not going to cut my tab, so you know what, I just use scissors on this edge here because I don't want to cut my tab. So it would be bad. After all that work of trying to remember when to put it in, I think that's probably the good time to put it in, is between that last step. Move my tape. See, the line's better here. Just about 1/8 over. Bam. All done. So, place for your cards. Then I left this open so I can grab it better. But that's completely up to you. If you want to use a little tab, just cut yourself a little tab there too. But there you go. Cute. And quick. So, like I said, grab your bucket of scraps and get to making. Thanks for watching.